Hey guys, welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. I'm Greg, and this is one gorgeous 1967 GTO. This baby was originally a gold car. It was originally a 400 HO car. Now it's got a 428 built to Ram Air Force specs, looking sweet. I mean, look at the body lines here. Look at the chrome, the grille, the lights, the trims around the lights. I mean, everything about this car is just done to perfection. The previous owner owned this car for 30 years. Look at that line there. Straight as an arrow. Just love it. Love the wheels, love the red lines. It's been upgraded, the disc brakes up front. Just everything about this car is off the hook. And of course, it's a 67 GTO. Black interior, 4-speed. Of course, all the interior is brand new. Everything about this car is just absolutely gorgeous. A lot of love went into this car. Headliner's looking good, dome lights working. Beautiful steering wheel, beautiful dash, gauges, dash pad, just everything about it. And look at this door jamb here. That's what it looked like back in 1967 right there. Actually, it probably looks better. I'm sure they didn't spend that much time making those door jambs look that good in 1967. And it's got some meat on the back. We're gonna put some horsepower to the ground with them babies. We've got great looking chrome on the rear bumper. The trunk fit is beautiful. All these body lines looking good. Now let's see, I got quite a choice of keys here, so let's see if I can figure out which one of these. Look at that first try. Inside the trunk here, everything's looking sweet. Look at that, absolutely beautiful in there. This car also has all original metal. No replacement panels whatsoever is what the previous owner's telling us. And I can't find anything that's been replaced. Look down the passenger side. Look how straight that paint job is. My hat is off to the body man on this car. And also the guy who sprayed the paint. That gold paint's tough to spray with that metallic in it to make it look that beautiful. Now at Vanguard Motor Sales, we don't do any consignment. That means we own this car. So we've spent the time and did our homework and checked it out before we bought it. And then the first thing that happens when the cars get here to the shop is we get them up on the lift, check out the undersides, take the pictures, do the videos, so we can show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision. Now, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure you like us or subscribe to our YouTube channel. And click that little bell there too so you get an alert every time we post one of these cool videos. Tiger Gold 67 GTO, guys. 4-speed, ready to go. You know what? Tom can deliver this car anywhere in the world. So you just give him a call at 248-974-9513. He'll tell you all about the car, how easy the procedure is to get this baby parked in your driveway. Now we're right outside the Motor City. We're very close to the airport. If you'd like to come in and check it out in person, we'd love to have you. We do sell about 95% of our stuff sight unseen. Tell this guy to go ahead. All he can do is look at this beautiful car. And if you want to send an inspector to look at it, no problem. We will treat your inspector just like we treat you. One of the things we do to every one of our cars here at Vanguard is we get them up on the lift and we check them out. We take pictures of them, we do the video, we show you everything you need to see so you can make a great decision. See what this guy's doing here. He looks like he's lost. Tell you what, the exhaust on this car sounds amazing too. Look down here on the dash. The wood grain, the faces of the gauges, the lenses on the gauges, everything looking sweet. All looking stock. It does look like it's got the stock AM radio in it. Of course, I'm not a radio guy. I know all you guys already know that. I only say it about every video. And don't forget, if you see anything on the car that you'd like a little bit different, we got a full working shop here at Vanguard. We can make any changes or any additions you may want to the car. Just give Tom a call and he'll give you a number. Listen to this baby. You want to talk about smooth? Sounds amazing. Now we do have two buildings here, so we may have your favorite car at one or the other. So give us a call, let us know you're coming in. We can get your favorite car right up front. We may have to shuffle a few cars around. We're coming up on our shop right now. We're at 15100 Keel Street in Plymouth, Michigan. And we're gonna get it up in the air for you right now, so stick with us. All right, we're under this beautiful car now, and I tell you what, it is just as nice on the bottom side. We got a brand new tank, brand new straps, frame's nicely painted. You can see the exhaust also looks like it's brand new. I mean, in the rear end, we got a, looks like it's a 10 bolt, and it is right around the 390 gear. It is posi also. You can see the bushings look like they're new. The shocks look like they're new. Parking brake cable looks like it's new. Look at the paint work on that frame. Just absolutely beautiful. We got a pipe set up on here, so those are actually stainless steel mufflers. Floorboards are all nicely painted under here. We've got vapor line, brake line, and fuel line. Everything's brand new. And looky here, you can uncap this baby. Make some noise. Actually, you can also buy the electric cutouts that bolt right onto these flanges. Then all you have to do is hit a button inside and make some noise. We got a 67 model Muncie transmission. This is not original to this car, but it is date code correct. We got jet coated headers, big high torque Summit starter on there, disc brakes up front, and those are some massive calipers. This baby will stop. We've got a big sway bar here. Looks like a lot of new parts on the steering also. Backing plates look like they're new. Radiator's nice and shiny. It looks like it's new. Front frame horns are straight as an arrow. Front bumper looks like it's brand new. I mean, this thing is beautiful underneath. Now, we've got some great looking wheels here. These are billet specialties. It actually says Delco right there. Look at that. That's cool. Redline tires, these are radials, guys. There are no markings on this side, so they must be on this side. These are BFGs, and we'll get just a little light. It says 215/65 15s here. Now let's head to the back and check these out. We'll just start in the back on here, see if we can get that size. Where's it at? There it is. 255/60 15s back here. We'll swing back around. And again, good looking rim, good looking red line. Wheel lip moldings look like they're new. And look at the shine on that rocker there. Look at the pinch weld. Look at the paint on that frame. Beautiful. Well, we're gonna lower it down now and take a look at the 428 under the hood. All right, we're under the hood of this baby now. This 428 running like a top, looking great under the hood here. We got power brakes, power steering. Inner wheelhouses are all painted up nice. Firewalls all painted up nice. You can see the heater hoses are hooked up on this baby. Those jet coated headers. Even the upper control arms got nice paint on them. I can see that there's new bushings here. We got a polish job on the radiator, an Optima battery in here. Bottom side of the hood's all finished up, looking good. Looks like it's got a period correct carb sitting on top also. Guys, this is one sweet machine. She's a GTO, she's the right color. It shifts gears, man, she's sweet. Call us, 248-974-9513, and let Vanguard Motor Sales park this dream in your driveway.